Hey, filthy degenerates. It's tax season. Got a shit ton of money back this year. Thought I'd leave it up to Zach to kind of help out riding season, so I gave him my debit card. Told him he can kind of have free reign, so I know I see Amazon bought some Amazon stuff, so we might have some good shit here. So, let's do a little unboxing video for you. Fuck. Gotta make some room quick. Let's see what we got in here. Start with the good stuff first. Got some mix oil, butt slinger, chain lube. So we got some good shit for the bikes here. Dirt, 80 weight. Right on. Good pick, Zach. I want this big one first. What the fuck is this? Fans? Fan. This is computer parts? I don't know what the fuck his plan is here. I'm gonna have to call him and see what the fuck's going on.
Shut up!
The shit that you got.
Hello?
What the hell is this computer shit?
What's up?
I'm unboxing stuff. Ordering computer parts instead of dirt bike parts? What the fuck? What am I supposed to do with these?
What do you mean?
Where do you put the mixed gas?
You put the mixed gas? Oh, you gotta... The part... You gotta ask Dalton for all that. You got demoted.
I got demoted.
You got demoted.
What? How the fuck did I get demoted?
Cause you suck at writing, so I demoted you to video editor. But hey, I gotta go. I'm like I'm super busy right now.
What bullshit?
I'm riding dirt bikes. I gotta go.
Oh, you're riding dirt bikes? Where the fuck are you?
Yeah. Hey, I'm going through a tunnel. I can't hear you. Call Dalton.
What? What's Dalton gonna do? Yeah. What the fuck? He hung up on me. I gotta call Dalton apparently. I'll get back to you guys. I don't know what the fuck's going on right now. Alright. Take 5 or something. Alright guys, we're making some progress here on this computer build. Look at that sexy thing though. I'm kind of glad I'm not riding dirt bikes anymore. Cause Zach sucks. So do dirt bikes now. But we'll still rep Amsoil. Right. This stuff right here. One of these two things. But just get a look at that thing. Stay tuned. Do it. Don't skip. All right, guys, we're getting there. Look at all those fans. So I'm not too keen on computers. Will I have to tie this thing down, Dalton? Will it fly away?
She's gonna blow.
Yeah.
Get in the hole.
Alright guys, got the new workstation. Temporary. Thanks to my sponsor, Coors Light. Pretty sure I'm still sponsored by them. I haven't got my rebate yet, so. But got the computer build finally done. Look at all the sexy lights. I'm still confused though. I do not know where to put my 2-stroke mix oil. So stay tuned for that. I might be able to find it later day, but this is it for now. Hopefully we're going to be able to pump out a bunch of videos for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Send me butthole pics. I don't know. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.